Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. I am FX Ninja. Today I want to show you how you can be profitable consistently in the market so as to maximize your profits. Research has shown that one of the best way we can be profitable is for us to focus on one direction of the market. We all know that in trading we trade both sell and buy. But if we can focus on just trading buy or trading sell alone, we'll have more profits, we'll have more consistent profit than just focusing on both sell and buy. Another thing we need to do is to maintain that we are trading few assets or pairs. So we don't trade much assets. This is DERIV. You can just focus on 3 or 4 pairs and you continue making much money. So a system has been developed to focus on just one side of the market, which is we have decided to pick the buying side of the market. So each time the market is buying, the system generates a signal for us to buy, and we always make consistent profit. All right, over here we have volatility 10. All right, so it is not everyone that can trade SMC or ICT model of trading. So if where your strength is to be trading with indicators, make sure you have good indicators like this and you are focusing on less pairs. So right now V10 has been on a downtrend for a very long time. Over here now V10 is breaking out of our trend line, which is what this indicator is built to do. Once there is a trend line breakout, we have the indicator popping out, but we can't take this signal yet because we just have a change of character right now. If you're an SMC trader, you know what I'm saying. We just have a change of character right now, so we need this asset to come down. Okay, come down, then we have another signal from this system to start continuation back up. So that's what we wait for over there. So on volatility 25, as you can see, we had a signal here, okay, but it's just a change of character. We did not take it, and when we have a continuation, the signal was being taken, and this will be our take profit. This signal was being shared on our Telegram channel. You can get the link to that Telegram channel in the description of this video. You can see we also took a signal here. We shared the signal also in our Telegram channel. We took this after the breakout of this trend line. We took a signal here. That was our first entry. Another breakout over here. We took another signal here, and this is our entry. And of course our take profits, we have to take profit. One is here and the second one is up there. Okay, so it's up here. So we are working towards, looking forward to have these two take profits being smashed. On B300 we have taken profit on this trade over here when we had this signal popped out. Another beautiful thing about this trading system is that you can have it giving you signals on your phone or even in your email, so you can be off the chart and still continue to trade. So you don't need to be on your system every time before you pick signals on this system. So it can be programmed to your email or to your phone or your Telegram, so that you just receive signals and you check if it is a trend line breakout. Once you have a trend line breakout, then it gives you a signal and you are good to go. So also on crash 300 we took a signal recently and we have taken profit on it. Of course we took our profit around this side, yes, around this side, and you can see we have a buy, and we took this buy here. So one thing about this system is once you take a signal like this, just take your stop loss below, just below the arrow, that's how it works, below the arrow, and you be fine to make good profit. You can see this trade also. There is a trend line breakout. We have taken the trade regardless of this resistance that is here. We have taken the trade, and we expect that the trade will give us about $70 over here. So you can see the stop loss is just $32. So that is how we trade with this system. This system is very powerful, guys. It's a system that will help you to trade profitably in the new year 2024. So I'll advise you, go into the description of this video right now, make sure you join our Telegram channel, chat up the admin on how to get this system, and you'll be glad you did. Once again, before I go, remember we do copy trading. We also provide VIP signals just for you to be profitable, and also we also sell we do sales of profitable system like this for forex, for synthetic indices like this. So do well to chat us up and make sure you are profitable. Till I come your way again, I am FX Ninja, and bye for now.